Give me another gun on.
Yeah, I'm on you.
Where you got? Make a run for it?
No, they're all the way up, they're all the way up.
Got him.
Keep pressure on, boys!
Go with him, go with him!
Got it covered.
Go with him, go with him.
Watch yourself, mate. You got it?
Go.
Right, I'm on you.
Hit! Yeah, that's me. Going out.
You ready to storm in?
Yeah, coming out. Look out.
They've got their backs against us. Hey, what's in that room?
Hey, that's cheating. He can't tell you there's behind him when he's dead, mate. Sorry, I'm dead. Sorry, that's cheating.
Are you dead,
turn around and tell them.
A dead man talking.
Well, yeah, no.
You dead, dude?
Are you ready to move straight in? Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Why are you waiting there?
I'm dead.
Why didn't you respawn?
Clear.
Dead man coming out!
Right, all we need to do now, guys, we don't need to push anymore. We don't need to push anymore because we've got the majority of the building.
Fucking hell!
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, so wait. So as soon as we're on the platform, as soon as we're on the platform, right, I'm good.
Get ready, boys. I'm gonna get shot, so get ready, open fire, yeah?
Get ready, lads!
Get ready, boys.
Right, you can go under. Oh, fuck.
Anyone comes out that door, you're gonna get blasted, so all stay there, right?
Oh, that was my gun, yeah. No, sorry, wait, I thought that other ones were hitting there, they weren't. I say we just fuck them up. Do you want to just run?
Charlie, you go low, I'll go high. 3, 2. Ready? 1, 2.
Got you, mate. Alright.
I did.
Yeah.
Is there anyone else can go low?
See that long side up route. Just go for it. Just fucking go. Yeah.
Am I even firing?
Try it. Try to get the wall.
Yeah.
You were, you are now, but you weren't. You're firing blanks.
Alright, changing. Cover me.
Good shot!
Can't cover me, I'm just reloading.
We got no bangs, have you? No bangs?
We're not allowed bangs.
Yeah.
God, I'm fucking jammed.
He's quick on that trigger.
Alright, ready?
I'm good on your left, I'm good on your left.
Right, I've got.
You see shadows on your left, what's your leg? What's your leg? I'm gonna take his leg. This one in front. No. I can see their shadows, but I'm gonna take his leg.
Can't get past.
I like that as well. Good play, lads, good play.
Number 23.
Come on, Chris, get aggressive.
Right, you got left?
Grrr.
Ticket number 23. I'm 23 and 24.
I'm gonna go over your gun. Charlie, can you go low? Fucking ricochets, dude. I won't get in the way. Please, one.
If we all get pushed, we're going to get up it. Lads, we're getting ball.
You need a push. You don't push.
Yeah, no, I've hit this guy like 50 fucking times.
Left and right. Everyone in a row. Everyone. Come on. They're not going to take it unless everyone charges. If you cover the door, they can only shoot one person at a time. Cover the other people. Right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go!
Hit, man!
Right, then go to your respective boost boards quickly.
You need to fucking sort out the room.
I thought they weren't allowed. We're not allowed to shoot from stair to platform.
We're not. But they are.
Platform to platform, right? Listen to the rules explained to you.
He's got to come down on the platform before they shoot.
Well, they're shooting at someone on the stairs.
Yeah, I know. They're leaning over the fucking
That's
thing.
it, yeah.
Fuck it, just stuck up.
Yep.
I'll go on the platform.
Left side, get ready on that left door. Pop him. Get ready to pop him. Pop him.
Now, go!
We're not on platform. Platform.
Mate, are you fucking stupid? Literally, what? Are you dyslexic with words? I mean, serious now.
Platform to platform, not on the stairs, yeah?
What is this?
Fucking dyslexic.
It was though, isn't it?
Seriously.
Bullshit.
Look, now I'm on a platform, you can shoot me now.
Right, 2,